Hi, welcome back to my channel, AI Automation Agency. In this video, I want to share with you a new tool that I actually just started playing around with, but I'm really liking, and I think you might like it too. It's called Recraft AI. It's an image generation tool. It's great for designers. It's great for marketers. If you want to create things on brand, if you want to create vector images, even if you're a developer that wants to create icons. So let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so first of all, this is their website. It's pretty cool. You can scroll down and see what they're all about. Trusted by professional designers and all these different stuff, which is pretty cool. Here's what I've played around with so far, and I'll show you what I like. So one of the things is that it's really good. It's best in class, according to Hugging Face, for long text image generation. And I tried it out, and it is pretty good. This is your invitation to rest and relax. You can even put longer text, and it works pretty well. Here's an example of a vector image that I created, and faces are kind of hard to do. So the face looks pretty good. Then this is super cool if you're a designer and you want to sell e-commerce products. You can actually quickly create mock-ups of your products. There is this thing where you can create a product photo. So I just put in mug, and once you make it a product photo, you can actually like drag designs onto the image, and it knows it's like depth. So you can put it on the ground, you can put it on the mug, you can even put it on the strawberry. It lets me. Sometimes, yeah, there we go. Put it on the strawberry. So this is really cool. You could put it on your whole mug, or maybe you want it to be smaller. You could resize it and just make it how it actually would look. And there's one cool thing about this image itself. Let me show you. So this you can see is a custom design. It's really easy to create this. So I actually made this over here in my styles. This is the style, and I made it by uploading a couple of different tankas or Buddhist drawings. So the way to create that, you just click create, you can upload some images, and then it will make that. So I also made one more that I want to show you, and that's with nails, because hands are pretty hard to do as well. So these are some nails that I made, and you can see the default, this is what they're photorealistic, looks a little funny, the fingers are a little bit bulgy, but then what I did was I created a nails style. So again, uploaded a couple pictures of actual people's hands, and with the nails style on, which this one's also nails style, it works pretty well. It's really cool to see. One thing I'm also really liking about it is that it has this canvas, so you can, create a bunch of stuff together, export it out easily as you need to, and the ones that you create, you can see the style, you can see everything you did to create this, and then you can also easily just like copy and make another one and edit it as you need to. A couple of other features in here that remind me of Canva. So you can click something and you can quickly like remove the background if you need to. Not bad. And if you want, you can then turn it into a mock-up, which then again, of course, makes this the depth thing. And then you can add things onto this. So for example, a little weird, but you get the point. There's one more thing that I want to show you just to see across a couple different models. So let me go here. So this is when I was playing around. So I tested out Recraft and I compared it against Ideogram. So I tried out Ideogram version 1 and I gave it all the same prompt around these summer nails, blue and purple. Ideogram 1 gave me an extra finger, and it looks like it's kind of like two hands blending into one. Ideogram V2 turned out really nicely. I really like this one. Recraft hyperrealistic, so the photorealistic version, again, the fingers, there's something going on with the proportions. It looks a little fat at the beginning. And then with the nails style, looks better. So again, tested it out with a couple different prompts just to see. Ideogram V1 looks pretty good here. V2 looks slightly better. The base one, again, the fingers. The nails one here, it also turned out funny, and I found out that actually shorter prompts work well, especially when it's trained on a style. So I just gave it a much shorter prompt explaining the nails instead of giving it the background that looks like a pool. And that turned out pretty good here. And then this is the last one I tried out, which is having some sunflower designs. Actually here, Ideogram V1 looks really awesome and V2 looks pretty good. And yeah, again, I think just the snails one with the simple prompt looks super realistic and it's cool to check out. Oh, one more cool thing about it is that it gives you actually every day. You can see here I still have a lot of free credits. I'm on the free plan, and every day you get 50 new free credits, which is super awesome. I'll also put my referral link down below so that instead of just 150, you'll start out with 200 free credits, and I'll also get some free credits. So if you like this video, if you got something out of it, and you want to use my link, I would totally appreciate that. But regardless, I recommend playing around with it. It's been pretty fun, and I'm looking forward to trying it out more. Cool, so that was my quick demo of Recraft AI. Please leave comments as you play around as well. I'd love to hear what you think about it. If you liked this video, please use my link and you'll get 200 credits and I'll get 200 credits. So it's a win-win. And yeah, my name is Nahala. This is AI Automation Agency, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.